way, I just read the observations, and they are so true. Yeah, I've been satellite all my life, and still people freak out over it. I don't understand it, but it is true. Okay, anyone else like to say anything? Okay, well, that's great. Looks like everyone participated tonight. Looks like. Why don't I go ahead and send a picture using MFSK64? Let me send it. Let's see if I can do this. It's not, for some reason, not working. I'm not sure why it's not working. Hang on. Okay, let's try it. Let's do it double the speed here. MFSK64, and I'll go ahead and send this picture. AE7BX. Okay, transmission complete. How did everyone do? Good, Penguin. Okay, well, great. Went through great. That's me with the penguin at the Woodland Park Zoo, and I had an opportunity to do that, and I took it, and I enjoyed it. Really, it was really fun. They were more interesting than I thought. Anyone who did not receive that? Okay, well, great. It looks like it went through just fine. Okay, it's 8:40. Just last call. Anyone that would like to do anything on FL Message, FL AMP, or any the FL Digi mode? Okay, any questions, concerns on FL Digi? Okay, we have an opportunity to go to EasyPal if everyone would like. Roger. KSMBLV. Okay, well, we got a vote to go to to EasyPal. I'll go ahead and start loading that. And let's see if anyone has anything to send tonight. I'll give